Hi everyone, Peter from Children Emporium here. So on this video we're going to make this magic box which has got nothing in it unless you go the right way. Ta-da! Spider. So you're going to need your matchstick box, paper, pipe cleaner, pens, scissors and some glue. So we're going to start off by doing the matchbox. You're going to cut 2 strips the width of the box. So just put it on the paper and then you can just line it up. And another bit the same sort of size. And then we're going to take one of these and you're going to cut it to the right length. Slightly a bit smaller. You just cut that down if it's too big. So you're going to need some glue on this, and then we're going to stick it to the bottom of the box. Just like so. Take your other piece of paper. I'm going to put a bit of glue on one end, and then you're going to stick that down there. Oh, I just need to make that a little bit thinner. So leave this one long, and you're going to get the outer bit of your box. And I'm going to put a bit of glue there. And then we're going to slide it in. And so it just sticks out just enough to get your finger in. Then push it all the way through. Then you might just have to. Now what you want to do is line it up so you've got about halfway out the box out, so you can't see anything. And then the bit that's left, you're just going to cut that off. So like that, you can't see the piece of paper. But if you push it out a bit further, you'll see it. Then what you want to do is push it the other way, and then you can't see it either. Now at this point you can colour this in and you do your own pattern, that's just the way I've done it. Next we're going to make the spider. So we're going to fold this in half and then half again, and then in the middle of that bit you're going to twist, and then you've got your spider bits here. These loops, just cut these loops, and then we're going to make the spider a bit smaller just so it fits in the box. So I think I'm going to do mine about that big. I'm just going to bend the legs over. Make it look a bit more like a spider. You can pop that in your box. And look, you've got nothing on one side and the spider on the other. Oops, just got stuck. The spider's a bit too big. So it's a bit too big, you can just squash it down a bit. chicken on one side, spider on the other. Ta-da! And you're finished.